Yinz guys, it's Melanie and I'm back with another traveling tips video. If you're new here, we travel a lot and we love to do tips videos on the places that we go to. Just, in case you guys want our tips, if I leave anything out, please let me know in the comments below. But anyway, this video is for Disney. It is specifically for Disney World and anybody who is taking a Frozen lover with them to Disney World. If you're interested in our Disney tips, how we save money, how we got free gift cards, or tips in general, those are all linked below in a playlist. This is specifically for anyone who has a child that is addicted to Frozen, because my daughter is, and it was important for her to meet like Elsa and Anna, and to go to the ride and different things like that. So this is just a few it's very short and sweet things that I need you to know, parent to parent or parent to grandparent, guardian, you know what I'm saying. You gotta know this things, like where to go, what to do if you have a Frozen lover, because I didn't know all of these things, and some amazing grandma in line at the Frozen line, like the Frozen ride, they let me know that Elsa and Anna actually are at Epcot now. They are not at Magic Kingdom. You saved my vacation. Wonderful woman. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. So anyway, this is just a couple things that you need to know if you have a Frozen lover. And yeah, if you know any other things that I missed, leave them below. Any questions, leave them below. Please stay, please subscribe. All right, I'm rambling. Here's the video. The first tip, which is the biggest tip, is Epcot is a must. I mean, things might change, so definitely check it from year to year, but you meet Elsa and Anna at Epcot, and the Frozen ride is at Epcot. They also have a little town set up, and then there's a building, and on it says inspiration for Frozen. It's so cute, and I mean, you pretty much have to hit up Epcot, for all that. The next tip, fast pass the Frozen ride if you can. You get 3 free fast passes per day. I know that fast pass fills up pretty quickly. This is if you're this was the line, you guys, to get in. We waited almost 2 hours to go to the Frozen ride because we were unable to fast pass. So try if you can. The next one, the Frozen ride is all ages, but it is a boat ride with a small drop. Nothing crazy. I'm not saying don't ride it. My 1.5-year-old rode it. She loved it, but you might get, a splash, and there is a small drop. So hang on tightly to your kids. I'm sure, it's not a safety issue or anything, but just be aware because I was not expecting that. Just something to know, I guess. The next tip, as mentioned, Anna and Elsa are at Epcot. They are not at Magic Kingdom. You cannot meet them at Magic Kingdom. I did not know this. Apparently, the grandma that was in front of me in line said that they used to be at Magic Kingdom. So I'm not exactly sure, but I thought that you met every Disney princess at Magic Kingdom. I don't know why, but that was very, very dumb of me to assume, and I'm very glad that someone told me. And the line for this, by the way, was like 15 minutes long. It was not crazy, and they're located like just around the corner from the Elsa ride. The Elsa ride was 2 hours long, but to meet them was only 15 minutes. Workers there said it just sometimes people don't know that they're back there. But anyway, this is her meeting Elsa, and you're going to see her like put her hands up like, asking a question. She's asking where Olaf is, which is funny. But anyway, this right here was one of the #1 moments for me at Disney. So I'm just so thankful for that grandmother that told me. So anyway, onward to Olaf. Olaf may still be at Hollywood Studios. I know people that have been there since I've been there and said he was still there. I know he can move, so definitely check around and ask. But we found him at Hollywood Studios, and my daughter was so excited. Look at this she was so happy. The last thing I want to mention, tips for ears, dresses, and the Bippity Boppity Boutique. So making your own ears, it's super trendy. Or you can buy them on Etsy, and they're a lot less than they are at the park. Unless you want to, go for it. I made mine with a bunch of hot glue, but I saw people that were actually just like buying Minnie Mouse ears and then like ripping off the pink bow and putting on a blue one for Frozen and like gluing on rhinestones. A cheaper option for you, or buy them on Etsy, or buy them there. I'm just trying to give you some options. Dresses, my friend actually made this dress for us, and I definitely recommend like a sundress because it gets so hot, but you can buy them on clearance after Halloween, or even buy them during Halloween time if you want like a costume dress, because those suckers are so expensive at the like in the Disney store at the park. And I also want to say, Bippity Boppity Boutique, there's like a huge upcharge if you want to like buy a dress as part of the experience to get your hair done. So I would personally buy the dress, which is what I'm going to do. I couldn't do that last time because my daughter wasn't even 2 yet, but we're going to do that this time. And I'm going to bring the dress with me. And I don't know, does anybody have anything like really good to say about the dresses, like why the upcharge is that much? I don't know. All right, so that is it. I had to insert footage of my beautiful daughter because she is asleep, and I was gonna have her be part of this video, and she fell asleep sooner than I thought she would, sooner than normal, so that's pretty exciting, right? But anyway, that is it. Please stay subscribed. You guys know the drill. Questions, comments down below, and in the description bar is the playlist for like how we save money and stuff on Disney. But that is it. Please stay subscribed. I think I said that. All right. Thanks for watching. It means the world to me. Thanks for listening to me ramble. All right. Bye, y'all. Love yins.